Welcome to your own YouTube channel, the Autoverse. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. This reimagined classic SUV combines rugged retro styling with modern performance and tech, making it a standout for off-road enthusiasts and anyone who loves a powerful SUV with a nostalgic edge. The 2025 Land Cruiser FJ40 captures the essence of its iconic predecessor with a rugged yet refined look. Toyota has retained the boxy, sturdy frame and classic round headlights that made the original FJ40 a favorite, while enhancing its aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency and stability. Its chunky wheels, elevated stance and protective cladding give it an off-road ready appearance that is both tough and visually striking. It's a perfect blend of retro and modern, appealing to both longtime Land Cruiser fans and newcomers. Under the hood, the 2025 FJ40 doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers around 300 horsepower, giving it plenty of muscle for both on-road cruising and off-road adventures. Toyota offers an option to upgrade to a hybrid powertrain, bringing added fuel efficiency and torque ideal for tackling tough trails without sacrificing eco-consciousness. Equipped with an advanced four-wheel drive system, the FJ40 provides maximum traction on various terrains, and it includes selectable drive modes to tailor the performance to sand, snow, or rocky paths, ensuring confidence wherever you go. Inside, Toyota has taken a minimalistic yet functional approach, keeping the cabin durable and adventure-ready while adding modern comforts. The seats are designed to withstand rugged conditions yet offer ample comfort, with stain-resistant materials and plenty of support. Technology is seamlessly integrated with a touchscreen infotainment system featuring navigation, smartphone connectivity, and off-road specific apps to monitor conditions. The FJ40 also includes a digital driver display that provides real-time info on terrain, elevation, and vehicle status, which is perfect for exploring unknown territories. Safety has not been overlooked in this 2025 model. Toyota has included its latest safety suite, which comes with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, hill descent control, and a 360-degree camera system that's incredibly useful in tight off-road situations. These features make the FJ40 not just a powerhouse off-road, but a well-rounded vehicle for everyday driving too. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 is a remarkable return of an off-road legend. With its powerful performance, advanced tech, and nostalgic style, it's an SUV that pays homage to its roots while embracing the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.